Hi kiddos, welcome back to the next episode of the Drawing Express. So today we are going to do a cute little card for Mother's Day. But we are going to draw it and we're going to do it. Are you ready with me?
Yes.
Okay, so just take a piece of A4 sheet, yeah, and fold it breadthwise like this. Bring both the ends together first. Keep your left hand on top of it and slowly smoothen out the paper. Okay. Take care while doing. Once you're done with that, then you hold it and then move that. Okay. Take care in this step because we're going to draw based on that. See, my thing is going to be very smooth. I'm just going to keep it like this and put my nail down. And I'm going to move it. I'm going to use one of my left hand nails. Put it on top. Put it from here. And smoothen that fat part. See? Wow, you've done great. Good job, Neha.
Thank you.
Now open it out. Yes. And we are going to draw a picture of a girl right here. Yes. So we'll start with the head over here. Okay. So for the head, if you have a piece of color paper that is going to be orange or the skin color, you could do the oval shape for the head there and then stick it over here. Or alternatively, we can draw it and then color it with crayons or Sharpies. So what do you want to do, guys? Okay, darken out the heart nicely. Enough. Okay, now let's close the paper. You might have to be careful with the middle part. Yeah, but because you stuck that face, right, it will be little popping out, so you have to be careful while pressing it correctly, the middle of that paper. Okay, and can you see the tracing of your heart that you have done? Is it visible? Yes. Now you have to outline that, but don't outline this side of it, because if you outline that, you might cut it off. Just a little bit, and from here a little bit. Okay, kids? Now it's time to take your scissors and make a cut over here and make a cut like this. Okay? But don't cut this part. Be sure that you don't cut that part. And you're going to cut along the line right up to that part, and you are going to turn and cut it right up to here. Yes. And after you do this, you're going to fold this heart till that part and press it. Okay, make it straight and then press it. Press it nicely over there. Yes, only if you do this, then it will be popping out. Now again put it back. Open your paper and push your heart from underneath. Yes, be slow, be very gentle. And now you fold the paper with the heart inside. Dip your hands like this and push your hands from underneath. Yes. Okay. I'm going to help you out. You did it so good. So you did it like this, right? And after you put your finger underneath, you just have to bring it together like this. Yes. Now you can open your heart. Okay? Yes, kids? Be patient in this step. Okay? So once that is done, what we are going to do is, we are going to take a Sharpie, or you can use paint, okay, for coloring the cave, okay? So the next part is going to be drawing the skirt of this little girl. So first what we have to do is, you can use any piece of paper, color paper that you have, and cut it accordingly, and then you can stick it on top. So we've used a pink color paper here, and you can be creative in making your dress. And next we can start doing the background, and you can already see my little girl doing some background. So you can be creative in making your own backgrounds. And the next thing is to color the heart in the middle. Yes. So once this is done, you can use paint or you can use crayons, and you can start giving your own cute little background. Yes, kids. So painting is actually fun here. So if you have some watercolor paints, then you can always take it and you can get started. So here we are using some watercolor paints and a little bit of acrylic too.